We will try to take all these projects and string them together for an end-to-end solution. That's what we need to start with, and then we'll build our puzzle from the inside out.
The method that we use is a kind of vibration, and with this vibration we bring in really high strain rates into the stone, and this is something which we found would be more useful to break the rock. Here we have my tool. I just put my tool onto the stone with like the half of the force that I would need to break it. Then I set on the actuator and you see what happens.
Continuous tunneling can be, must not be, can be a tunnel boring machine. You accommodate in that machine all operations which are with the conventional drill and blast separate operations.
We're looking for a miniature machine that's robust and intrinsically safe. That doesn't exist at the moment. We need sensors to go on that machine because there are no people there to see what's happening, to measure everything, to find the reef, to be the vision for the robot. And then we need the machine intelligence to go onto that system that can use all this information and guide the robot so that we don't have people making those decisions.
The grade control sensor would provide potentially guidance for the miners as well as information for metallurgical balance purposes. And the available technologies to us at present are myriad, X-ray fluorescence spectrometry, X-ray diffraction, prompt gamma neutron activation, laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy, ultraviolet visible spectroscopy, infrared, near-infrared spectroscopy, and Raman spectroscopy.
So really we're trying to protect health and safety, counteract fatigue, enhance strength, vastly improve the monitoring of individual and environmental conditions, at the same time create a method for communicating with everybody on the mine continuously. And so we need to know that when you're wearing this thing, you can be agile, you can be dexterous. You consider that the person who's going to be wearing the suit in the long term, whose primary responsibility is going to be on a maintenance kind of level, troubleshooting.
And it was a fantastic video on YouTube just showing both augmented reality on an iPhone, so you know, as you pan across the field in Iraq and you see popping up the intelligence information, oh yeah, the Taliban had a little hit over there 3 months ago and this is what happened here and here. And then they started showing the use of that device in not just augmented reality but in map views, showing people tracking and equipment. It seemed very, very analogous to really the concept that people came up with the iMate. You are all going to start, the only way we're going to get this collaboration happening over time and space is if people, as we say, drink the Kool-Aid. You have to dive in and start using the site and sharing information on that.
We will try to take all these projects and string them together for an end-to-end solution.
If we can break this thing, if we can get it right, we will give a new life to gold mining industry in South Africa.